Everybody, it's Kaylee with a Flare. So we're calling this cute-ish because our second stop isn't open anymore and we kind of went to something else that wasn't a full bar. So welcome to La Factoria. Bugsy Cruiser, hello. There is the signature cocktail list for La Factoria. Let you guys stop there for a hot second. And we're here. We're here. So I got the Lavender Mule. It's my signature cocktail. Jeff just got a beer. And what's the best part about this tour is it's practically across the street from the first place. Thank you for the super heart. So we're going to give this a try. I've never really done a lavender cocktail. We'll see how this goes. Jeff, you might end up getting my napkin. Oh, that's really good. That, guys, this drink is so good.
Did you hear
What?
He said there's 6 bars all connected to this building. That's where they're going.
Oh.
Yeah.
So there's secret bars that are weaved in, guys. This tour is going to get exciting. There are 6 bars in this complex, and they all connect through here. We're going to go on an adventure, guys. This tour is going to be lit. So that lavender mule that I'm drinking, this is what's in it. The Kettle One ginger tea, lavender and lime. You guys, this drink, though, is so good. Like, it's bright, it's refreshing, it's not heavy, it's not super sweet. It's really good. Oh, that's a guarantee. So Carson to the J, it's my tour that I'm creating, and I'm actually going to do a full blog post on it because this is something so simple you can walk to from the port. This is all in Old San Juan, but it's not super touristy bars like Senor Frogs or anything like that. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. I've kind of created my own. So the last place that we were at was across the street, and it's called Rare Candy Creations, and you can go there and get ice cream cocktails, beer floats, and wine floats. We did a Di Serrano, and I forget what kind of ice cream, but it'll be in the post. It's not a place where you can go sit down. It's a to-go kind of thing, but it was so good. Yes, absolutely. So for those of you that don't know my blog, hit those 3 dots, give me a follow, and in my bio on here is a link to my blog. So it is awesome. It is really, really cool. But yeah. So do you guys have any questions about places so far, about Oasis? This is you guys. Ask me a question. Ask me anything. This is so good. Jeff, you should try this. See what Jeff thinks. It's really good. Like, obscenely good. So here's the bar. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. So little known fact, this is actually me no makeup. This is no makeup today. My eyes are a little irritated. I have a cold. So this is no makeup. This is just skincare right now. Here's more of the bar. So right now I have 5 places listed on this tour. Like I said, within walking distance of the port. How do I make money taking trips? So I don't necessarily make money taking trips. I make money from partnerships, which is more so started recently with some clothing. But my YouTube video views I make money off of, and then ads for my blog.
See if he's still.
All right, let's see here. Oh, no, I know what you mean. I just wanted to tell you guys, like, this is no makeup, so I apologize. Freestyle Coke machines.
Yes, they do.
They did add some more,
They're
yeah.
Right, they're right next to
Hi.
pizza shop.
They're next to the pizza shop. There's a few more. I thought I saw some up on pool deck area somewhere, too.
But they're right next
I'm doing a whole new... Awesome, thank you.
right next to Sorrento.
Right next to Sorrento's, but I thought I saw some up on the pool deck. Just so you guys know, I will have a whole brand new Oasis of the Seas ship tour with all the new re-amplified revitalization parts on that coming live. I was gonna post today, but I might do a voiceover because my voice is a little hoarse. I haven't decided yet. But it's done. I did all the video. It took forever. The ship's so big. Any other questions, you guys?
No question. Do you take card or just cash? Do you take credit card or just cash? Sorry.
Jeff's getting down to business over here. All right, I'm going to leave you guys with an end shot here. I will scope you guys from the next bar. Make sure you're following. Hit those 3 dots. And we'll see you later. Bye.